Hello mga kautak, since marami ang nagtatanong sa atin kung paano ba mag-online register sa Sultan Kudarat State University Tertiary Placement Test, so here is a brief tutorial. So first, you have to pay the testing fee of 275 pesos in any SKSU campus. So pwede po yung Tacurong Campus or Access Campus. Then hanapin po natin yung SKSU TPT sa Google. Then pag nakita na po natin, hanapin po natin yung login or register. So since first year or transferee po tayo, mag-register po tayo. So i-click po natin yung register dito. So dapat ito po yung makikita natin ha, login and register. So pag naklik po yung register, ipa-prompt po niya kayo to create your account. Okay, so in making your account, of course, first you have to type your name. First name first. First name is your name like Brian, Jason. Second, your middle name, Cordova, for example. Last name or your family name, De La Cruz, for example. Sorry. Your email address, no? For example, sa akin, email ko is, yan, nilalagay ko. So, tandaan lang natin, huwag natin kakalimutan yung email natin at saka password natin. Kasi dyan, yan yung gagamitin natin to log in, no? Ulit dito pag mayroon ng result. So, huwag nyo talaga kakalimutan, tandaan nyo talaga yan. Then, of course, your password. So, yung password natin is numeric, pwedeng words, no? Or numerical, pwede rin. So, hindi ko siya pinakita. So, pag lagay nyo ng password, so, i-confirm nyo yung password. So, kadalawa nyo po ilalagay yung password ninyo. Dapat the same siya. Then, click submit. Then, i-prompt nyo kayo to log in. No? Nakalagin na kayo, so you get started. So, personal information ninyo, either freshman or transferee. Then, automatic na po lalabas yung profile na nilagay natin kanina. So, sa extension po, for example, junior po kayo, so ilagay nyo po yung junior or senior. Kung junior kayo, kasi bata kayo, so junior. So, sa sex po, male or female lang. Then, yung present address, kung saan po kayo nakatira ngayon. For example, sa akin, yung Isabela. Sorry, may ubo ako ngayon. Yan. Tacurong City. So, pwede nyo po rin ilagay yung complete talaga na address. So, sa akin, shortcut ko lang kasi nakakapagod mag-type. Charot. So, yung phone number po ninyo, ilagay po ninyo. For example, yan yung phone number ko. Then, yung month ng birthday, 09. Tapos, yung day ng birthday, 08. Then, yung year ng birthday. No? So, MM is month. DD is day. YYY is the year. Place of birth, Tacurong, for example. So, yung age po, automatic po siyang lalabas. Pag nalagay po natin yung date of birth natin. Yung tribe po natin, Ilonggo, for example, Maguinanaon, Iranon, no? Tausug, Dulangan, Manobo, Tudoray, Bloan. Religion po, pwedeng Islam or Christian, depende po sa inyong religion. So, for nationality, Filipino po. Then, kailangan po upload tayo ng picture natin. 2x2 po yung hinahanap dyan ha. 2x2 photo, 2 MB po yung limit nya. White background po yan. Tapos naka-formal po with color. Okay po. So, yan. Hindi nakalagay yung religion. So, pag hindi kompleto, ipaprompt nyo po kayo to complete your details. Magre-red po siya. Then, try natin ulit. So, nag-red po ulit yan kasi hindi natin lagyan ng permanent address. So, dapat kompleto po para i-accept ng system yung ating application. Yan. So, for the previous school information, school graduated, for example, nag-graduate po kayo sa Tacurong National High School, Notre Dame of Tacurong College High School Department, Esperanza National High School, Isula National High School, ilagay po natin ng buo. Huwag po TNHS, INHS, dapat po kompleto. Year graduated, anong year po kayo expected nag-graduate or nag-graduate? Kung expected nyo po mag-graduate 2024, yun po ilagay natin. Track and strand, for example, ABM. So, dapat po, ikumpleto po natin yan na nilagay ko lang dito is ABM lang, pero dapat kompleto po yan. Then, papipiliin po tayo ng ating first priority program. Ano po yung pinakagusto ninyong program? Ibig sabihin po ng program, yung kurso po. Kurso po na kukunin ninyo sa college or sa university. For example, yung first priority mo is sa Tacurong campus, okay, accountancy. So, nahati po yung mga campuses based on its specialty po. Sa Tacurong campus po is business and arts. Hospitality, business and arts rather. Then for your second priority program, hanapin mo po. For example, Tacurong campus pa rin. For example, Bachelor of Arts in Economics. Okay, so dalawa lang po yan. First priority and second priority. So your for payment po, yung resibo po ninyo sa pagbayad ninyo ng 275 kanina, yun pong i-upload natin dito. Picturean po natin or i-scan, din i-upload po natin. Again, to MB lang po Then, attach po yung resibo, pati yung kanyang receipt number. Then, saka nyo po siya i-upload. Then, wait lang po tayo for at least 24 hours for the confirmation of your application. Then, kailangan nyo po mag-relogin after 24 hours to make sure na na-confirm po yung payment ninyo. And kapag na-approve po yung payment ninyo, select po natin yung date and testing site of examination and i-click po natin Save Slot. Make sure na ma-save nyo po yung slot ninyo kasi para ma-sure natin na maka-exam po talaga tayo. And first come first serve basis po yung pag-save ng slot. So, bilisan po natin. Okay? Next po, click View Permit, Download and Print Computer Generated Test Permit. Yan po yung dadalhin natin sa time ng examination na napili natin. If you can see po sa screen ko, yan po yon. Then after the exam po, yung result po ng inyong examination will be sent ulit sa inyong SKSU TPT account in June 2024. So, hintayin lang po natin yan. Kaya make sure po, huwag natin kalimutan yung email natin at saka password natin. Pag nakalimutan po natin yan, visit po natin ang SKSU Guidance and Testing Center. Yun lang po and good luck po sa lahat ng mag-take ng SKSU TPT. God bless. Bye!